Collagen is the protein that keeps your joints smooth, your skin firm, and your legs strong. But here's the catch. After age 50, collagen production drops dramatically. This can lead to stiff knees, wrinkles, and that annoying leg weakness that slows you down. So in today's video, we're highlighting 5 powerhouse foods that naturally boost your collagen levels. These aren't exotic or hard to find. They're everyday items that can boost your collagen levels. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth is the ultimate collagen-rich food. It's made by simmering bones for hours, which releases collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glycine and proline, all essential for rebuilding joint cartilage and tightening skin. Try sipping a warm mug in the morning or using it in soups. 2. Sardines. These little fish are packed with type I collagen, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. That combo reduces wrinkles and strengthens your joints from the inside out. The best part? You don't need a ton. Just a couple servings a week can make a big difference. 3. Chicken skin. Chicken, especially with the skin on, is rich in type 2 collagen, the kind that cushions your joints and keeps your skin glowing. In fact, many collagen supplements are made from chicken cartilage. Bake it until crispy for a tasty treat, or make a soup for an extra collagen boost. 4. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits aren't just tasty. They're loaded with vitamin C, which your body must have to create collagen. Without it, collagen production stalls, no matter how much bone broth you drink. A daily glass of lemon water or an orange with breakfast can make a real difference. 5. Avocados. Besides being creamy and delicious, avocados are packed with healthy fats and vitamin E, which protect collagen from oxidative stress. They also support cartilage repair, making them a top food for aging joints and muscles. If this video helped you, tap that like button and subscribe for more interesting content.